Good morning. Good morning, USA. And now it's officially time to start packing up again. I don't want to leave. That means I have to go back to work. Everyone's finally packed up. Starting to head back. Gotta go check out, gas up, and I think we're also gonna go stop by Duval Street. Making our way back home, moving slow, crawling past, and we're homebound. Do 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 do. Filled up, and now going to get some McDonald's. Just finished up at McDonald's. And now we're gonna go down to Duval Street, and it's raining a little bit, and my tires are also a little bit bald, so let's be careful. I love how she's carrying a broom and what looks like groceries on her scooter.
Yep. Have to carry it somehow, you know?
Again, just, you know, very Key West thing to just literally do everything on a scooter.
Probably a lot cheaper.
Yeah, I mean, those scooters go for like $500. And in reality, that is like all you need to get everywhere. Because I don't know if you noticed, but every single road here, like the speed limit's like 25 miles an hour or 35 miles an hour, so, and that's like all those things can go up to, so it's like,
It fits.
yeah, like they're cheap and that's all you need for the roadways. Motorcycle. Motorcycle. Look at that American flag. So proud, so true, so big and bold. Look at all the tourists. All the vacationers, all of the people starting fights, getting plastered. Do you see it? I see it. Well, I don't see it right now, but now I see it. The southernmost point. Dun dun dun. The crazy street. So Claudio, as we are finishing up, coming down the last mile, not even the last mile of US 1, coming down to mile 0, I just want to say a huge thank you to you for being able to organize all of this and put together an amazing trip, an amazing camping trip, and even finding us a great deal on going over to the Dry Tortugas.
No problem. Anytime, guys.
No.
This is just to give you an example of how I plan my trips. This is what it's all about: riding, having fun, and just collecting memories.
Oh yeah.
My intercom is saying that it has low bat.
Oh no. Yeah.
Oh no.
So, oh no. But tell me about the name of your store where people can actually come and buy things from you.
Yeah, the name of the store is Adventure Moto. It's located in West Palm Beach, Summit, and Military. The website is down right now because basically we're doing a whole new website. It's Adventure Moto USA, but you can find us at Adventure Moto USA on Facebook as well. And right now, Facebook is probably going to be the best way you can, guys send me any messages there, whatever you guys need. I answer that 24/7 because sometimes I'm awake 24/7. So that's basically it. We sell anywhere. We sell everything from parts, apparel, accessories, whatever you guys need for your bike. Either short distance, long distance, riding around, whatever, suits your needs.
Yeah, and even if you don't necessarily have it in stock, you are able to get those connections to where you're able to pretty much always get even a cheaper discount than what other places are offering.
Yeah, I mean, you're going to have places like Ribzilla, JB Cycles. Those guys all give you what's called Ribzilla bucks or bonus bucks, but they're charging you full retail. So basically, yeah, you build up a cash back or a cash reserve with their stuff, but you're constantly paying full retail on most of the item unless it's a closeout. I give you the discount automatically, where you don't have to be waiting to build that, and you basically on the long run you probably will save more, buying it from me. Some things, take a little bit longer than others, but most of the stuff we get within 2 days.
It's not like the immediate, like Amazon, like how it's going to be like, oh, 2-day shipping or something like that. But unless you're going like right in person type of thing, but you're still getting it and you're saving like 10 to 15% off a retail price.
Yes. I mean, like I said, once we get the new website back up and running, that'll have all the instructions if you want to order online. I mean, right now we're basically doing stuff through eBay and then through a lot of export. That's what we do. But we also do, the walk-in customers that I meet at the store, if they need something specific, or the Facebook or something. If you need something, I'll give you the information, and then you can set up payment through there as well.
Nice. All right, well, I'm gonna let you save your battery, and in the meantime, I'm gonna be doing a nice little montage from southernmost point all the way back to West Palm. It's so bloody hot, sitting in Key West, Florida, sitting in the Keys, and traffic not moving. It's so bloody hot, Finally back to moving, getting some airflow through the good old vest. Finally being able to cool down. Much needed. Movement of the air is much needed in Florida. Oh, we made it. If you enjoyed this series, please let me know. please write it down in the comments. Be happy to do these things again. I've had so much fun doing this. Thank you again, Claudia, for putting all this together. It was so much fun. Such an amazing long trip. We both enjoyed it so much. And if you like this, make sure you go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you ring that bell notification. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.